Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Sending a mass email in Outlook without showing other recipients is essential for privacy and professionalism. You avoid exposing everyone's email address to the entire list. This protects your contacts from potential spam or unwanted sharing. The key is using the BCC field, which stands for blind carbon copy. When you place addresses in BCC, recipients only see their own email and anyone in the to or CC fields. They will not see any other BCC recipients on your list. This ensures individual privacy for everyone. Here's how to do it in Outlook. First, open a new email message. If the BCC field isn't immediately visible, navigate to the Options tab within your new message window. Look for the Show BCC button and click it. The BCC field will then appear, typically below the CC field. Next, in the Status field, enter your own email address. This step is important. It ensures the email has a primary recipient and appears professional. Then, add all your intended recipient addresses into the BCC field. Remember to use semicolons to separate multiple email addresses. Compose your message as usual. Double-check your content for any errors. Finally, hit send. Each recipient will receive the email, seeing only your address in the TI field and their own. They will not see any other recipients you included. This method keeps everyone's information private and your communication clear.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.